The P2181 coded model Hyundai vehicles means that there is an issue with the engine temperature control. In about model year 2020, Hyundai started integrating the new thermostat unit in all its engines. It's called ITM, or Integrated Thermal Management Module. This is a big black plastic box that contains the smart thermostat, the control unit for it, and also the sensor for the coolant temperature. And if something fails in this unit, you will need to replace the entire assembly. It's a very bad idea to ignore the code, since the engine may overheat at one point, and this may eventually lead to much more expensive problems. The new ITM costs about $300–400, so it's not the most expensive part in the world. Hyundai has a lot of various TSBs regarding this ITM unit. For example, there is the TSB 2401010H for the Hyundai Tucson that covers the O-ring replacement in this unit, or there is the TSB 24EM011H for the ITM replacement in the Hyundai Elantra to 2024. But the failure of the ITM is not covered by any extended warranty or whatever. Ironically, the average lifespan of these ITM modules, especially in model years 2022 to 2024, is about 60,000 miles. So it's just out of the bumper-to-bumper warranty for the majority of vehicles. If your car is still under powertrain warranty, you may still get rejected in the dealership and get the answer from them that the ITM is only covered by the basic warranty. Unfortunately, I've heard about 3 such cases, and this is absolutely unacceptable. The thermostat, as well as everything that's included in its housing, must be covered by the powertrain warranty. It's initially 10 years or 100,000 miles, but only for the original owner. If you bought the car used, the warranty is 60,000 miles or 5 years. So if the dealership refuses to repair your car for free, contact Hyundai USA and try to get it covered through them.